I'm going to power up my Tiger XT power supply, and you can see it's got a beautiful big clicky switch on it, and we've reflowed all the joints and replaced a cap on the control board, and it now seems to be giving us a good solid 5 volts and 12 volts, which is reading 11.8, but that should be okay. There are some pots that I can adjust to wind that up a little bit, and we're also looking at the ripple across the 5 volt rail, and it's quite acceptable. Okay, I'm very pleased with this repair, and now I can start working on building my XT clone system and using this beautiful power supply with this lovely big clicky switch. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.